Welcome back to Soft English Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan.
We're glad you're spending a few minutes with us today.
Let's enjoy a calm English conversation together.
Today's topic is talking before going to sleep.
Let's begin.
Ryan, are you still awake?
Yes, I am.
It's getting late.
I know. I'm getting ready for bed.
Me too.
Did you have a good day?
Yes, I did. It wasn't very busy.
That's nice.
What about you?
My day was good as well.
Did anything interesting happen?
Not really. It was a normal day.
Sometimes normal days are the best.
I agree.
What are you going to do before sleeping?
I might read a few pages of a book.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I usually listen to soft music.
Does it help you fall asleep?
Yes, it does.
That's a nice habit.
Thanks.
Do you have anything planned for tomorrow?
Just the normal things.
Same here.
Well, I should get some rest.
Me too.
Sleep well, Ryan.
You too, Emma. Good night.
That was a calm conversation.
Yes, let's learn some useful vocabulary.
First, we have the phrase awake.
Awake means not sleeping.
For example, I'm still awake.
Or she was awake early this morning.
Another useful phrase is get ready for bed.
It means doing things before sleeping.
For example, I get ready for bed at 10 o'clock.
Or he's getting ready for bed now.
We also used the word normal.
Normal means ordinary or usual.
For example, it was a normal day.
Or everything looks normal.
Another useful phrase is fall asleep.
Fall asleep means to begin sleeping.
For example, I fell asleep quickly.
Or the baby fell asleep in the car.
One more useful word is habit.
A habit is something you do regularly.
For example, reading is a good habit.
Or exercise can become a healthy habit.
Earlier, we talked before going to sleep.
We discussed our day and our bedtime routines.
One person likes reading before bed.
The other likes listening to music.
These are common ways people relax at night.
Conversations like this use simple, everyday English.
They can help you talk about your daily routine.
And they can help you understand natural conversations more easily.
We hope today's lesson was useful.
Thank you for joining us.
Keep practicing and enjoy your English journey.
And we'll see you again soon at Soft English Studio.